Analyzing the past UGC NET geography papers, we have come across some of the most important topics which do include contemporary topics as well for your upcoming UGC NET geography examination. So from the section on geographical tools and techniques, remote sensing becomes a very important topic, and under that two important satellites, Cartosat 3 and EOS, are very important for this time. That's the Earth observation satellite. We have covered those comprehensively in separate lectures. Under GIS, what are raster images, vector images, topology, data modeling, spatial modeling. Statistics has been one of the main core components. In the recent times, we have seen higher number of questions from the sections on the statistics. So normal distribution curve, what is 1 standard deviation, the range for it, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation, which includes 99%, and then z-score. Calculating the z-score is again commonly asked, highly important not only for your geography, but nowadays this depth is also required for your paper 1 as well. Then regression analysis, how do regression help in extrapolation? In the physiography section, impact of climate change on Himalayan cryosphere. So very important topic for your geography subject. In agriculture, some of the contemporary topics focus on precision farming, saline farming, technological developments, the drone in agriculture, role of drones, soil health cards, millet, international millet year. Then for the regional development, the Northeast regional development and the aspirational district program is again very important topic. Coming on to next important topics include the ocean curriculum. So you have the deep ocean mission, polymetallic nodules being found, the blue economy 2.0, very important this time. Under the cryosphere, the Zimu Glacier and the Gangotri Glacier, circular economy, net zero targets for 2070. Principal component analysis, nearest neighbor analysis, where we say 1 is random and the range is 0 to 2.15 from cluster to spread, right? And then Gini coefficient, Lorentz curve, talking about digital economy, global value chains, PM Gati Shakti master plan, also focusing on the Indo-Pacific geopolitics, the Arctic councils and the various councils are some of the important topics that you must cover for your UGC geography examination for December 2022. Of course, these are just few of those that we have highlighted. We do recommend that you go through the PYQs carefully before your examination. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.